What's up? Welcome to Axel Dubs. I'm Axel, and today we're going on an adventure. We're going to Dallas to pick up the motor for SG. It is bright and early Saturday morning. I mean, it's not even 8 o'clock yet. But we're about to get on the road and then head up there, pick up the motor, and see what else we get into along the way. So join us for the adventure, and hopefully by the end of this video, that car is running and driving down the street, which will be super exciting. All right. We just left the VWs at the drive-in, last drive-in in Gatesville. Dropped mom off. She's camping with dad. And it didn't make sense for her to take two cars, whatever. We now have about another 2.5 hours ahead of us to Boyd, kind of middle of nowhere, which great. But we're taking an alternate route. We're not going to be on the highway. We're going to be kind of on some of these Texas back roads and county roads. So it'll be an adventure. Y'all stay tuned. All right, Fort Worth. What do you think, Devin?
It's mean.
It's yeah. Y'all see the clips of it running, but man, this thing is it's mean. And sorry if I'm yelling. We're right by the highway, so there's road noise. But yeah, this thing, the SG is gonna scoot. 1904, 120 cam, dual 40s. It's gonna be fun. So I'm excited to get in the car. Y'all see that soon. All right, y'all, we made it back home probably about an hour or so ago. Big thanks again to Devin for going up there with me. I couldn't have really done that drive without him. Motor's behind me, covered by tarp, so I might get some rain overnight. But it's ready to stab in the car, so tomorrow, next clip for y'all, we'll get it stabbed in the car. Stay tuned. All right, about to get ready to stab this motor. Next morning, covered it with moon blanket, but have to get it off the jack or the dolly, get onto the jack and get it stabbed in the car. Going ready. Yeah? Yep. Right at 40 oil pressure at idle. Hell yeah, dude.
Just breathe on it. Fucking comes right back on. That's awesome.
Adjust the clutch, get that accelerator cable situated, and we're driving the son of a bitch.
All right.
Test drive.
Yep, brand new 1904 motor.
120 cam, dual 40s.
Weber's.
Yeah, actual Weber's. Killed it.
And he killed it.
That clutch is going to take some decent use too.
Yeah, it's, what's it, 1700 clutch? 1700 pound clutch, yeah. God, that's, you can feel it. You can see it by the camera shaking.
Mr. Amazon. Brakes still feel good.
Well, yeah, you didn't do anything to brakes.
Well, they're sitting for 4 months. So I parked this car the day after Thanksgiving. And my dad can attest to it. I've missed driving this car so much. Speaking to Chuck, super great guy. He does amazing work.
Yeah.
From Old Volks TV fame as the ejecto motor. Not this motor, but if y'all saw that video where the motor was launched out of the ball, that was Chuck. Brakes do feel a little weird, but it might just be rust that has to burn off.
Or you're not used to them. So what kind of compression do you have, you know?
7.5 to 1.
That's
So
good.
stock.
That'll keep it from blowing up.
So we talked about compression ratio. Stock is 7.5 to 1. That's what I've had Chuck do to this motor. I'm not racing this car. I want it to be streetable. Where like if it starts, you know, if there's like a misfire, it gets bad gas or something's going on, and the motor's not going to just burn up like that.
Here we are waiting at the light. There you go, green. I don't know what that was. Sound like a tire rusted. Oh, it's annoyingly loud. And we don't have the pop valves popped. Pushing the other or whatever. Here we go. This is what you want, a paint car. I don't think I need one of those.
I'm also test driving those new shocks y'all saw me install. For everyone that doesn't know what they're doing.
Oh yeah, this is. They installed a new camera right there on that black pole. So I don't know who's looking at us.
Come on, people.
All right. Oh, we made it this far.
We made about 2 miles so far.
All right, we're gonna get a drink and we're back.
All right, it's a few hours later. Test drive went well. Still got a few like minor adjustments and stuff I'm gonna have to make with as the motor breaks in, do oil change, check carbs, timing valves, etc. But I appreciate y'all watching so much. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, tell me what you think of the video. If I could have done better, I appreciate feedback. But yeah, thanks for watching.